Okay, let's try to do the same thing we did in the previous video and the other for the other controllers. So let's start with the user. So we can just at the end play with them, join the data, disable some routes, and etc. So I will go to the user controller, sorry, and the user service, and what I will do, I'll just delete this find all function. And this one here in the controller, the get route. And no, I think I'll just delete the get import. Sorry, like this. Just remove. Okay, so I will import from Nest.js CRUD. Is it like this? I'm sure. Yes. Okay, so import from it CRUD, and before calling our controller declarator, call the CRUD, pass to it an object model, which is also an object. There is a type property, will be a user entity. Why does it complain? Is it not model? Yeah, I think it's model. I think it's just slow, or maybe yeah, it's just slow. Leave it alone. Okay, now it's fine. And of course we need to name this service, and yes, that's it. And in our user service, we need to we'll just go to our post service and copy this import, put it here. I'm just going to do the same thing for all other entities, so I think you can skip this one, or if I didn't have the time to finish all of them in this video, you can skip the next one as well. You can do them by yourself. And I'll remove this private read-only. I don't want it as a property in the class. And I'll call super with the user repo. Yes, with the user repo. That's it. And yeah, of course, extends. It's so slow. Okay. And in the user controller, I think the user controller is fine. So let's try it in Postwoman. So I will remove these. This is from the previous video. And put here user. Send. This should give us all the users. I think you notice that we don't have a password for any user we have. I will eventually implement authentication and users and hashing and all of that, authorization. But yeah, so this route now works. Let's go to other. Just a reminder, this implements a get, post, delete, patch, request, all of that, as you can see here. But we will test them in another time. Let's just finish all of these. So the next one is, so we finished users, post, the likes. I will copy this. So this is just a copy paste video. And sorry, yeah, we don't have a like module, so a like controller, sorry. So I will just stop the server, reset everything, and nest generate CO controller. Call it like, it will put it in the like folder. like, and another one is a service. I will also call it like. Okay, everything is fine, and yeah, also puts it inside the module, which is nice. So I'll go to the like controller and put it here. So this will be the like entity, and here I will inject the service. So constructor private read only service will be the like service. Now go to the user service. I will copy this. I'll go to the like service. Just and also I'll copy the injection, but I'll convert the user entity to like. This one I need to import it. And inject repository, import it, import the repository type. Go to the like controller. Yeah, I think that's it. Now to the comment. So yeah, I'll also copy this. Sorry, I'll copy just this. I'll go to the comments controller. Just hope it imported that for me. So the comment entity, and of course we need to inject the service. Private read only service. Remember to call it service. The comment and in the comment service yes, just copy these and extend it, make the comment service extend this, import it, it's the comment entity, and call the constructor parent function, the constructor from the parent class with the comment repo, and make it as only available in the constructor, so not a local property. So the last one is the followers. So I didn't generate a controller for it. So ng generate controller. So I will user dash follower and a service, which I also will type the same name. So user dash follower. Okay. So did I copy that? Yes. So I will go to the user follower service. Oh. Yeah, okay, this is the test file. Yeah. Did it generate test files for the others? Oh, okay. My bad. So extend the type service. And I'll just copy this, change the corresponding things. This will be the user follower entity here as well, and here as well. We need to, I will change this name to user follower. Pass it here. And in the controller, so let's just copy this. So finally, in the user follower controller, I will import the CRUD utility and pass to it the user follower entity as a model type. And finally inject the service, private read only service, what did I call it? The user follower service. So user, and that's it. Now we have the CRUD routes enabled for all our entities. So now we can play with them to see what we can do. And okay, thank you.